Well, with more police being called to respond to mental health emergencies over the past decade, many agencies are creating specialized training for officers. Fox 14's Joel Massey is live in the studio with more on how law enforcement prepares for these types of calls. Joel?
Abby, according to the American Psychological Association, about 20% of calls officers respond to involves those in a mental health crisis. And there's some important things to remember if you are a family member or the one needing help in such a way. Crisis intervention training is an important part of the North Delta Police Academy, a program that every officer in the 12-parish region goes through. The state requires at least 2 hours of CIT, but the academy, sponsored by the Ouachita Parish Sheriff's Office, provides 8. Major Anthony Washington says de-escalation is a focus in dealing with mental health emergencies.
You wouldn't handle a mental health patient as if you would handle a regular individual, a regular suspect. You want to be calm with them and give them, I guess you can say, soft directions.
988 is the suicide and crisis hotline, and if you indicate harm to yourself or others or want transportation to a facility, most of the time an officer will respond before paramedics arrive. Sometimes a bad experience or preconceived notions cause mistrust of the police.
If someone that's a mental patient has had a bad experience with an officer, I would ask them not to pool us all into the same bucket. Give that officer that's responding the opportunity to give you the good treatment, to get you the help that you need.
It's important to remember that not complying with officers by struggling or attempting to leave the scene may result in an arrest.
It's very important to any person, for that matter, to be compliant with the officer. Even if we're coming to arrest a bad guy, all we want is compliance so we can move on, get you to where you need to go so we can move on and everybody go home safely.
The 988 Crisis Hotline is available as a phone call, text messaging, or online chat. Live in the studio for your ArkLaMiss News Source, I'm Joel Massey. Abby, back to you.
Thanks.